Hi, my name is Alejandra, and our presentation is called Addiction. In this presentation, I'm with my partner, Violet, and yes, let's get started. What is addiction? Okay, addiction is an ability to stop using a substance or engaging in a behavior even though it's causing psychological and physical harm. The term addiction trust search does not only refer to dependence on substance such as heroin or cocaine. Some addictions also involve an inability to stop partaking in activities such as gambling, eating, or working. Addiction is a chronic condition that can also result from taking medication. In fact, the misuse of opioids, particularly illicitly made fentanyl, caused nearly 50,000 deaths. Trust surged in the United States in 1999 alone. The American Society of Addiction Medicine defines addiction as an a treatable chronic medical disease involving complex interactions among brain circuits, genetics, the environment, and individual's life experience. People with addiction use substance or engage in behavior that become compulsive and compulsive and often continue despite harmful consequences. Many people, but not all, start using a drug or first engage in an ability voluntarily. However, addiction can take over and reduce self-control.
Addiction is misuse. Drug addiction and drug misuse are different. Misuse trust source refers to the misuse of a substance at high doses or in inappropriate situations that could lead to health and social problems. However, not everybody who misuses a substance has an addiction. Addiction trust source is fact or condition of being addicted to a particular substance, thing, or activity. For example, a person who drinks alcohol heavily on a night out may experience both the euphoric and harmful effects of the substance. However, this doesn't qualify as addiction until the person experiences chronic relapsing disorder characterized by compulsive drug seeking, continued use despite harmful consequences, and long lasting change in the brain. There is a substance addiction and non-substance addiction. Some examples of non-substance addiction include gambling, food, internet, gaming, cell phone, and sex. Someone with addiction will continue to misuse the substance or activity in spite of the harmful effects it has. Symptoms. The primary indication of addiction are declining grades or difficulty at the schools, poor performance at work, relationships difficulties, which often involve lashing out at people who identify the addiction, and inability to stop using a substance even though it may be causing health problems or personal problems such as issues with employment or relationships.
A noticeable lack of energy in daily activities, profound change in appearance, including weight loss, and a noticeable abandoning of hygiene. appearing defensive when asked about system use. Treatments, medical events, and progress in diagnosis have helped the medical community develop various ways to manage and resolve addiction. Some methods include medication-based treatment, behavioral therapy and counseling, medical device to treat withdrawal, treating related psychological factors such as depression, ongoing care to reduce the risk of relapse.
Addiction treatment is highly personalized and often requires the support of the individual's community or family. Treatment can take a long time and may be complicated. Addiction is a chronic condition with a range of psychological and physical effects. Each substance or behavior may require different management techniques. That's all. Thank you.